Alright, these are consequences of the water leak. So initially the drain was blocked by rust and some stuff coming with the time. It should be done. We have this opening here and it should be snaked. I'm pouring water here and it doesn't come underneath at all, no even single case. It was also with a bunch of rust here. Necessary, but we did it just in case. Just put it back. Oh yeah, and this one obviously goes back as well. So now after drain cleaning, the pump works perfectly. Everything works perfectly. Yeah, it's clear. See? It's absolutely clear. Thanks me for a great job.